In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose between Cloudways and Flywheel and set up the right managed WordPress hosting path for your business. If you manage client websites, run a creative agency, freelance as a designer, or work in WordPress professionally, your hosting platform has a huge impact on speed, workflow, and profitability. Cloudways and Flywheel are both strong options, but they are built with very different philosophies, and understanding that difference is the key to making the right decision. Cloudways works as a managed layer on top of major cloud providers. In practical terms, that means you are getting dedicated server resources along with more flexibility to control settings like PHP, memory, and caching. Flywheel, on the other hand, is a highly managed WordPress-only platform. It removes low-level server control and handles much more for you automatically, which makes it especially attractive for design-focused teams that want a simpler experience. And one of the biggest differences comes down to limits. With Cloudways, there are no artificial visitor caps or strict site count rules. You can host multiple websites on one server as long as your actual hardware resources can support the traffic. Flywheel uses fixed plan boundaries, including site limits and monthly visit caps, so if traffic grows suddenly, costs can rise quickly or performance restrictions may come into play. Performance is another important category. Flywheel offers dependable caching and CDN delivery that works very well for standard business and portfolio sites. Cloudways uses its Thunderstack setup, combining multiple layers like Nginx, Apache, Varnish, and Memcached. On larger plans, it also includes advanced object caching, which can be especially helpful for dynamic websites with heavier database activity. Now, if your priority is agency workflow, Flywheel has a major advantage. You can build websites locally with their local tool, push to staging easily, transfer billing to clients, and save reusable blueprints so you can launch future sites faster with your preferred setup already in place. And if flexibility, scaling, and raw resource control matter most, then Cloudways is likely the better route. To launch a server, go to cloudways.com, sign in to your dashboard, and click Launch Now. Choose the latest WordPress optimized option. Select DigitalOcean as the provider, then pick the premium tier for faster NVMe storage. Set the server size to 2 GB of RAM for stronger stability and improved caching support. After that, choose the data center closest to your audience and click Launch Now. Provisioning usually finishes in just a few minutes. Once the server is active, open your application settings and go to Domain Management. Enter your live domain and set it as primary. Then open the SSL certificate section, enter an administrative email address and your domain,